Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we will see about how to start programming from scratch. So first we are going to install the Python on our PC. To install, first we open one of our browser. I choose Chrome in this case, or in my case. So in the Chrome I am going to type Python and search it. So as you see, I search it. So on the first one there is the main Python website, is as you see is there. I am going to click it. So on that I will go to downloads. On the downloads, depending on your operating system, you are going to choose what to install. So in my case, my operating system is Windows, so I am going to install the Windows Python, the Python made for Windows. So I am going to select the location and I save. So it's going to save the exe file. So after that I am going to install it. So I double click the exe file, then I click install. In my case I already installed it, so I click the modify part, then I click the install one, then it's going to be installed. On the next video we will see how to check the Python is installed or not using commands, and we are going to see other syntax of Python. Thank you for watching.